Also, eat banana before you come. Let's talk about tomorrow.
Yes.
So big day tomorrow.
Yeah.
Your big day tomorrow.
Yeah.
You don't really need to think about the word test at all. Okay. You are a good driver. You come this far, and I know you can do this, and that's why I'm taking you for a test. What you should be doing tomorrow, just tell yourself, whoever's sitting with you, any examiner, just treat them as a normal, like a Raja sitting here or anybody else. You just need to focus on your road. Do your good observations, good anticipation, good planning yourself ahead, and you will be fine. Just do not think about pass or fail.
Yeah.
Worst come worst, if you do get failed, so what?
True.
We can book another test. If you pass, happy days. I will be very proud of you, and you're going to be very happy as well. It's fine. That's what your mentality should be, really. People who normally go for the test and they really worry, or they're stressing out, or they're nervous. Oh, it's my test. They're not going to get passed, or they're going to do silly mistakes. If you are a good driver, do you think you should be nervous in your test before your test? No.
That's true.
Do you think you should be worried about your test? Because think about it. In that 40 to 45 minutes you're going to be with the examiner, what exactly you're going to be doing? Just driving.
Yeah.
That's what you do with me for 2 hours, isn't
That's
it?
true, yeah.
So if you made that mind up, you will be perfectly fine. And the last thing I want to discuss with you, so because your test is tomorrow, make sure that tonight have a good night's sleep.
Yeah.
Sleep early, wake up early, make sure you look smart. Have a good breakfast in the morning. Do not come empty stomach. That's one more thing as well, because when your stomach is full, obviously your brain will function better as well. That's what my experience says. Also, eat banana before you come.
Today.
Yeah, good. Bring the water with you, or bubble gum if you want. You can eat bubble gum during your lesson. I do suggest, if you are very nervous, or which you're not, but people take calms tablets as well, but you don't need to worry about that. But do take banana if you can before that, though. Yeah. One thing I would suggest you, because your test is on Sunday morning, you will going to face a lot of clearance issues. So there will be a lot of cars parked. So you need to think about a meet set all the time. Or meeting situation as well. That's what I would definitely suggest you to watch out for that. Okay.